Welcome to a deep dive into errors in compilation, a must-know topic for anyone learning compiler design. You know, a compiler does more than just turn your code into machine language. It's like a strict teacher checking if you are following all the rules of programming. And whenever you break a rule, the compiler shouts out with an error. Today, I'll break down 3 kinds of errors you'll face: lexical, syntactic, and semantic errors, with simple examples that actually make sense. First up, what exactly is a compilation error? Think of your program as a student attempting an exam. The compiler checks your answers in multiple phases. If you slip up in any phase, boom, compile time error. Lexical, syntactic, or semantic, the error type tells you in which phase you messed up. Let's start with lexical errors. This happens at the very first phase, lexical analysis, when your code is split into tokens. Imagine you wrote int instead of int, or used a weird character like @name = 10, or just forgot to close a string like this. Quote, hello? These are character-level mistakes. The compiler just cannot make sense of them, so it throws a lexical error. Simple, right? Next, syntactic errors. Now the compiler checks if your code sounds right, like grammar in English. Forgot a semicolon? Wrote int x = 5 instead of int x = 5. Or those classic unmatched brackets if a, b. Even a wrong loop like for I = 1 to 10. If the sentence structure of your code is broken, that's a syntactic error. It's all about following the grammar rules. And now, semantic errors. Let's assume your code is grammatically perfect, but does it make logical sense? For example, using a variable without declaring it, x = x + 1, when x is not declared. Or mixing types, int x = hello, trying to divide 10 by a string like 10a. The compiler catches these meaning-related mistakes in the semantic analysis phase. No point generating code if the logic is all wrong. Let's quickly summarize. Lexical errors, wrong characters or tokens. Syntactic errors, wrong sentence structure. Semantic errors, wrong meaning or logic. Each error type points you to exactly where to look and fix your code. So remember, catching errors early helps you write cleaner, better programs. And if you dream of building your own compiler, this knowledge is gold. If you liked this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe for more compiler concepts. Got questions or want real code examples? Drop a comment below. Let's crack compiler design together. See you in the next video.